Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AOL, and today we're going to mess with this pattern here. This is pattern number 46 over on friendshipbracelets.net. I'm just going to copy and I will paste this over here. And it looks like I need to, whoops, not flip, I need to enlarge. That's better. And transform, we want to rotate this counterclockwise. So that way we have it going this way. All right, so the colors I picked are actually really close to this. So kind of take from here, although that's kind of, can we make this, oh, there we go, because it's more of a brown. So I already know that this pattern is going to be difficult. It does have the chevrons, which will make it kind of neat, but that's sort of like the only real saving part of it is the chevrons. The rest of it is a lot of zigzags. So here, now we'll take the red from there. And it goes, that's the first one. Second one. And then this comes out. Actually, I don't have to fill in all of it. The symmetry, all I have to do is really one side or the other. Let's just concentrate over here on this right-hand side. The next color is this sort of orange. And it goes like this. And then the off-white, which I think mine might be a little bit more yellow, goes like this. And then this goes here. And then this color comes through here. So 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. And then it comes out. So then it's this in here, 1, 2, 3. Yep. So 4 colors, 16 strings. Overall, it's not a bad setup. So that we're still here. So this goes like that. Now I don't know what's going to happen at the middle. It's going to work itself out no matter where it lands. It'll be fine. I just wanted to have it have a really nice start. So I think I've got that. 2, 3, and then all the way out. Okay. So that's the latest. So the dark goes there. Yeah, anytime you have like so many zigzags, you just know it's going to be a little bit troublesome. There's the 3. At least the pattern making is getting easier. I'm starting to see how it works out. So after the darkest is the red, the orange, and then the white. Next, the red comes in, 1, 2, 3, and that would have gone all the way out. Then the orange goes 1, 2, 3. Hang on. Looks like we hit the outer part of that box there. And then the light one goes 1, 2. I guess that goes there. And then the dark one goes like that. So the middle is going to be kind of interesting. Let's see how this all works out with the string. So let's start out with our dark color here. Our brown. So I'm kind of figuring this out as I go. I'm pretty sure this is right. Let's put in some of the other colors before I get too into it and discover I've done it all wrong. So 2 in, 2 out. Got that inner line right there. That's not supposed to happen. Yeah, there is a lot of zigzags. Fortunately, I think because it only goes for like these 3 spaces, it's not as bad as, say, that last bracelet. There is just more zigzags in it. I think this will be maybe slightly easier. We'll see. Yeah. And the other thing is this pattern by itself sort of would have been just kind of pointing in one direction. But because we're making it do something different in the center, I think it's going to become just a little bit more interesting. And it'll give us a chance to see which is the easier way of doing it, whether if it was where it's pointing upwards or where it's pointing downwards. So. And it's kind of cool, like it goes all the way, it started out with the brown, and then it's going to end up with the brown in the center. That's kind of neat. I'm not sure if I had kind of tried to customize this at all, like if that's kind of the direction I would have gone with or not, but I like it. It kind of reminds me of something. I can't put my finger on what it looks like. You can see I'm just kind of able to fill these in as I go along. I don't know that if I was a beginner, if this would have come together quite as easily, but you know, obviously a bit of practice would help. I see I missed one there. And I stopped for some reason with the red. And that can come over here. Okay. I still have that red to do. I come back for that. Missed an orange right there. It's almost coming together, guys. Yeah. This is... I am imagining that I'm going to use GIMP again to keep track of where I am as I'm making this. Oh. The orange comes through to the center. It's not, unless we make this longer than normal. I don't hate the idea of it being... Oh no, we're gonna make it red. That's gonna be a real long red line though, right in the center of it. That's all right. It should be fine. All right, let's hide our example and grab this whole top right corner here. Copy paste, flip tool, and then we get the other side. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to anchor the floating layer and merge it down. That makes it all solid with the first part we made. And then we can copy the entire top half. Control C, Control V. Again with the flip tool. This time we flip it off the other line. And again, anchor and merge. And there is our bracelet. Wow. I like the color combination. I think I kind of went with what they already had, but I like how this is going to work out. And yeah, this should look really, really cool. Thank you guys. Thank you also to my YouTube members for making this possible. Going through a bunch of string here. Obviously, we're trying to also do some other cool stuff to make the office a little bit more conducive to making videos. So over 900 videos so far, guys. Seriously, we're definitely going. Been going for a while now, and yeah, it just keeps we'll just keep doing more. So yeah, that's all thanks to you guys. So thanks. If you could maybe hit the like button, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.